Welcome to Esparto Elementary School March Virtual Assembly for 3rd through 5th grade. I'm Mrs. Van, your principal. This month, we are celebrating the character trait of fairness, recognizing and respecting the opinions and practices of people different than ourselves. When conflict arises, learning to accept and forgive each other in order to promote equity and peace. Our first student to celebrate in Miss Montejo's class is Sienna. In Mrs. Martinez's class, Heidi. In Mrs. King's class, Jaden. Miss Miller's class, Adon. Miss Miller's class, Miguel. Miss Miller's class, Hernan. In Miss Thompson's 4th grade class, Amy. In Miss Stoddard's class, Gio. Also in Miss Stoddard's class, Emily. In Miss Guerrero's class, Joseph. And in Miss Guerrero's class, Juliana. In Miss Thompson's 5th grade class, Yaritzi. Congratulations to all of our students for demonstrating fairness. Let's see who's leveled up in Lexia. These students have passed a level in Lexia in the preceding month. Miss Montejo's class, John, Daniela, Aiden, Lily, and Travis. Mrs. Martinez's class, Yaritzi, Natalie, Jeremy, Max, and Heidi. Mrs. King's class, Camila, Christian, Evelina, Christopher, Angela, Cassandra, Josiah, and Raina. In Miss Miller's class, Adon, Amy, Paul, Alexa. In Miss Thompson's class, Jaden, Jacob, Carol, and Erickson. In Miss Stoddard's class, Colt, Alondra, Shelby, Leah, Aldo, and Angel. In Miss Guerrero's class, we have several students who have finished Lexia: Victoria, Sergio, and Mason. Congratulations! And we have Sophia, Andrew, Edgar, and Joseph who have passed a level. Way to go. In Miss Thompson's class, Alec, Jaslyn, Brianna, Mia, and Adon. Way to go, all of you 3rd through 5th graders for passing a level in Lexia. Let's see how people are doing in math. We'd like to recognize in Miss Montejo's class, Melanie, Augustine, and Leonardo. In Miss Martinez's class, Heidi, Addison, and Jeremy. In Mrs. King's class, students who have passed IXL levels: Camila, 10, Christian, 7, Evelina, 5, Josiah, 4, Giovanni, 3, Raina, 2, Jaden, 1, Emily, 1, Alexis, 1, Chris, 1, Dominic, 1, Cassandra, 1, and Alexa, 1. In Miss Miller's class, Madeline, Andrea, Jesus, Samuel, Alan, Christian, and Seth. In Miss Thompson's class, Gravier, Jaden, and Carol. In Miss Stoddard's class, Dylan, Alondra, Martin, Selene, and Angel. In Miss Guerrero's class, Victoria, Edgar, Allison, Azel, and Ariana. In Miss Thompson's class, Mia, Kaden, Adam, Cassandra, and Jaslyn. Thank you all for celebrating our students for their hard work in the past month. Have a wonderful day.